This is a new industry. I get it. And some people feel kind of some shame around it. Shame about seeking someone like me or maybe someone in your area. So I get confidentiality. I get why it's really important that you feel safe, that you can trust your practitioner, that you know that your identity, right? Your name, your person, your information, your story, all of those things can remain confidential. And here's the thing, not all practitioners hold confidentiality. So I had someone contact me this week and they told me that, is this a thing that you all do? Now, I asked them, like, well, who are you working with? Well, they said someone from Cuddle Comfort. So I went to Cuddle Comfort's website and I checked out if they had anything about confidentiality. I didn't see anything. And when this person was communicating with that practitioner, when this person asked, is my identity confidential? They said no. They said, well, if someone asks me, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to tell them about you. Yikes. That's really, really scary for some of you. So it's really important that you ask the person that you're working with. If you find them on Craigslist, if you find them, I don't know where, on any of these other sites, ask, make sure. If this is important to you, find out. Will they keep your identity confidential? Those of us who have been certified and or trained with Cuddlist.com, we do have this clause. It's really important that you know that your identity, all of that, is to maintain. We maintain that information, unless it's for our safety. Then, of course, that our safety or talking with other colleagues within our organization, we can talk about people, but anything outside of that is not appropriate. And I felt really bad for this person that told me, like, he just assumed, and yeah, it wasn't their protocols, it wasn't their policy. So make sure you check if this is important. That's all, y'all. Keep yourself safe.